So what's up guys, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGD Tech. Well guys, today we are having two news regarding the upcoming iPhones. One news is actually a good news and the second news is the sad news. Well guys, before getting started with today's video, if you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, let's start with the good news first. In this case, the good news is that we are having the official video clip of the chassis for the iPhone 11 Pro. So somehow or the other, everything Apple Pro has leaked this particular video. And guys, with the help of this particular chassis, lots of our doubts are cleared. The first doubt is that of course, you are getting the LiDAR sensor with both of the Pro iPhones. The next thing is that the complete stainless steel frame is flat. And the third thing that we are getting is that there is a clear magnetic ring cutout. So basically, you are going to be getting a magnetic ring surrounding the wireless charger. And this is helpful for the Air Power Mat, which will again be launched with the iPhone 12. Well, like this kind of leak was pretty much unexpected because the iPhone 12 Pro is currently in the full production. So in simple words, currently the security given by Apple to the entire production is very high, and in like this kind of situation, it is a very rare thing that a part is getting out of the factory. And guys, with this kind of leak, we are getting a clear idea that LiDAR sensor is not just reserved for the iPhone 12 Pro Max but also for the iPhone 12 Pro. And guys, now let me come towards the sad news. Well guys, couple of weeks ago, Jon Prosser shared us some screenshots that 120Hz ProMotion display is pretty much confirmed. But today he is sharing this information that 120Hz is not under production. So in simple words, even if Apple launches all of the 4 iPhones in October, but still in the current situation, the production should have already begun. Well guys, according to current report, it is looking like 120Hz is nowhere in the radar. And guys, this gives a tremendous confusion between two iPhone models, and that is the iPhone 12 Max and the iPhone 12 Pro. Because if the only differentiating factor between both of the smartphones is going to be the LiDAR sensor and the additional telephoto lens, then what is the use? Well guys, let me know in the comment section that do you think is ProMotion coming with the upcoming iPhones or not? Well guys, honestly speaking, the ProMotion display is going to be the differentiating factor between the two budget end iPhones and the two Pro iPhones. So guys, I personally still believe that 120Hz will be the deciding factor for the iPhone 12 Pro. Well guys, this is everything for today's video. In this entire iPhone journey, I am trying my level best to update you regarding the latest information. So if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.